Hey there, how are you? Have you played around with data visualization in Dynamics 365 and model-driven Power Apps? Do you feel you need more than what is available out of the box? My name is Jorge, and in this video I'm going to show you how to leverage Power BI in Dynamics 365 and model-driven Power Apps. Okay, so data visualization in Dynamics 365 and model-driven Power Apps does seem somewhat outdated and limited. But when you have the possibility to do a seamless integration with the #1 tool in the world for data visualization in your apps, you must feel pretty awesome about it. And the best part is, it doesn't take much of an effort. Start with building a report and then save it to a workspace. With that, go to your solution, click New Dashboard, Power BI Embedded. Select from a report or a dashboard and deselect Show Reports in this environment only. Then select the workspace and the report or dashboard. After adding it, it will show up here under Dashboards. Then you need to edit your app. I got it open here. Click New Dashboard, select Power BI Dashboard, and then select your report. And it's done. Except you may not see it right away. The documentation really has this as a very straightforward process, but I did hit a few hurdles. So I'm going to show you what I did to make it work. And what I did was open the app in classic mode. And then I first went to Dashboards and selected all, saved and published. Then I went back and I selected only my Power BI report and saved and published it. And it worked. And it's just amazing how you can have all the goodness of Power BI right in your apps. How about that? Pretty cool, right? I hope you liked this one, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you soon!